How to find Facebook friends on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to find your Facebook friends on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app, and this is where you will get. So we can actually find our Facebook friends on TikTok and we can contact them. It's really easy to do. Once you get to your TikTok, you will go to your profile right here, and we can connect our Facebook account to our TikTok so that we can contact our friends there and we can find them really easily. So you will find an option of add friends at the top left corner next to your username. Right here, your name, you can see we have this plus icon. So I'm going to click right here, add friends. It will take me to find friends, and we have contact, and then we have the second option, which is Facebook friends. So you can see we have sync your Facebook friends list to connect with them on TikTok. This is how we can connect and find our Facebook friends on TikTok. So what you will do is you will click on OK. Now you will have to simply sign in to your Facebook account, and it will be connected to your TikTok. Once it's connected, you will be able to find your Facebook friends on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.